Hey everybody, Blind Man Travels here again. Today I want to share something with you that's a little bit different than what I normally do. Many of you may be wondering how I film my travel experiences as a blind person. So let's dive right on into it. First of all, for clarification, again, I am legally blind. I do carry a white cane here, which I do call a scalper, by the way. Personally, I don't like the folding canes. Um, I prefer more of a straight cane. That's just my personal preference. To see a video of me explaining my disability, click on that card up there. But regardless of that, that doesn't stop me from traveling freely and sharing my travel experiences with you. And today, I'd like to show you how I do just that. First of all, when I don't have time to set up or I don't have the room for it, I just film with my iPhone by itself by hand. So that's how I was filming, for example, my famous video of me eating that cocoa curry.
So I'm going to put the egg on it right now and mix it in with the curry. Now, Japanese curry is not necessarily as spicy as, oh, look at that yolk. This is going to be wonderful.
Also works great on board aircraft where you can't hold a gimbal.
皆様、着陸態勢に入りました。シートベルトをお確かめください。お使いになった座席のリクライニングのテーブル、フットレ。
Sometimes when I have a chance to set up, I still use the iPhone, but I'm using the DJI Osmo 6 gimbal here. So let me unfold it here. It's going to make a chime. There's already a magnetic attachment here on the back of the phone. I just have to line it up here, like so. And this works really well, so I can, by pressing this button right here twice, I can rotate it just like that. That really works wonders. So when I was eating at the sushi restaurant.
So, there we are. There's my different cuts of tuna right there. The ones that have the lighter color, or the lighter colors, are the more fatty cuts. That right there, that one's minced with I think that's here you got there. That one's minced with I think that's green onion. That's a simple tuna roll. That's another minced one right there. These are charred on the top or seared. There's some ginger, and I ordered these out with wasabi in them.
I was eating at Universal Studios Japan at Super Nintendo World there. I had the gimbal met up here with the tripod on it on the plate, and I could set the app for DJI app to actually track my face so the camera would follow me around while I was filming. So that is really helpful for that. rest of the time I am filming, I'm using my GoPro. I have this set up in a specific way. So I have this attached here. And this picks up. I have this attached to this head strap. I put this on my head when I have to go hands free. It's really an awesome setup because number one, the lens there is a wide angle lens, so it's really good at capturing everything I want to capture. And the microphone has, I'm not sure what the technical term is for this, but it's basically a foam on the microphone to prevent it from capturing wind sounds or anything like that. So I used that for the videos I filmed where I really wasn't doing much talking, but I was navigating the Tokyo public transit system.
どちら行きますか
Sorry?
Where do you want to go? May I help you? Okay.
I'll be fine. I'm just going to Hachiko exit.
Exit?
Yeah, Hachiko.
Which the exit?
The Hachiko exit.
What?
The Hachiko exit.
Hachiko, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you.
Since I had to go hands free for most of those, I figured that was the best way to capture that. Then I edit my footage from both the phone and the GoPro using DaVinci Resolve. So it's a really great setup using my MacBook Pro 14 inch, which is pretty lightweight. So it makes it really easy to capture all the footage I can, get it all nicely edited up, and also the entire setup between the phone, the GoPro, the gimbal, and the computer is nice and lightweight. So I can travel pretty much anywhere and have a mobile studio set up ready to go. Comment to share how you capture your travel memories and hit that subscribe button as we are working our way up to 100 subscribers. And also click on the bell icon to stay up to date on whatever else I'm doing. To see something else I've done recently, in that video either right there or right there. I'm not sure where it's going to be exactly because I'm